welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today, and temperatures are still a little below where we should be this time of year. We should be closer to that 60-degree mark, but even though we have the cool air today, we're going to be well above 60 degrees as we go through most of the next week. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. Barely a cloud in the sky has made our way through the day today, and as we made our way into the evening, we did have mainly clear skies across the region. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region for today. High temperature of 48 at Scottsbluff and Alliance, 55 as you make your way out toward Torrington. We're into the lower 40s out toward Chadron and Gordon, and upper 40s and lower 50s out toward Kimball and at Sydney. Temperatures across the region right now are at 30 at Scottsbluff and Bridgeport, 28 at Kimball and at Sydney. Also, upper 20s at Chadron and at Gordon with 24 your current temperature at Alliance. There's your wind, mainly from a southerly, a little bit of a southeasterly direction in there too, funneling up the valley, but winds are pretty light, 5 to 10 miles per hour in most places. And some areas, including from Torrington out toward Wheatland, still a few wind gusts, 15 to 25 miles per hour. The wind has gone light in most places. Now, satellite loop shows that we do have mainly clear skies across most of the region, and that dual high pressure system is setting up. That usually gives us a lot of sunshine and warm air. That's what we are seeing as of right now. Most of the moisture well off to our south and off to the east. Now, we were kind of on the cool side of this high pressure system, but as it works its way up to the east, we get that surge of warm air, and temperatures will definitely be warming back up as we approach the weekend. So starting off tomorrow morning into the lower 20s, still mainly clear, lots of sunshine for the day tomorrow, a little bit more of a southerly or westerly wind getting us into the upper 50s to mid 60s, falling back through the 40s tomorrow evening around this time. Now for Saturday morning, we're near 30 to start, an increase in the clouds through the day, but still we have enough of that warm air to get us into the low to mid 60s across the region. Here's a look at the wide maps. That high to our south will work its way out to the east. There's that surge of warm air. We're tracking this low pressure system. You saw it had a lot of moisture off the west coast, but that moisture is not really going to make it over the Rockies, so a weak cold front will just increase the clouds Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then by Sunday afternoon, more high pressure works its way in, kind of a little bit more of a cool sector on Sunday, but there's a lot of warm air behind this one, so temperatures really on their way up for next week and possibly the week after. We do have this temperature outlook that does go until April 16th. That does say we do have a very good chance of being above average in terms of temperatures, which are approaching around 65 by mid-April. So we look to spend a lot of days above that, and also an increase in the moisture. We're going to keep our above average precipitation, just slightly above average precipitation as they dry out up and down the East Coast, but we have more moisture on the way, hopefully. Here's a look at our drought monitor, and we're still in that extreme drought from Scottsbluff down toward the I-80 corridor in Nebraska. Getting a little better. Severe drought turns into moderate drought as you make your way further north, and it does get better. Torrington in an extreme drought, but Wheatland, Chugwater in severe drought, and out toward Cheyenne and Laramie, moderate drought. Any moisture will help with that. But spring and then eventually summer thunderstorm season is on the way, as is typical. So here's a look at the forecast for tomorrow. Up to 64, lots of sunshine, partly cloudy Saturday, a high of 68. Sunday starts off with some clouds, then more sunshine by later in the day, a high of 66. And more sunshine Monday into Tuesday as mid-70s turn into lower 80s and lower 80s on Wednesday with partly cloudy skies and still breezy. Then for the day on Thursday, we'll have partly cloudy skies and a chance of some showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder to break the heat with with temperatures by Thursday near 70 degrees, still with breezy conditions. Angel?
Did you say thunderstorms? I thought it just snowed here. Thanks, Justin. A machine that looks like something from a character from a Transformers movie is working hard in Deadwood, South Dakota to clear up tons of snow.